What's up, everybody? Happy Wednesday. This video is for the F concert scale, but it is only for concert pitch instruments. So make sure you are one of these concert pitch people. Trombone, euphonium, tuba, and percussion. I think those are the people that this is the video for. So concert pitch instruments. If you're not one of those instruments, then find your correct video. All right, let's do this. So up at the top of your sheet, you should put F here. This is the key of F, concert. This one should go pretty smoothly because you've played it before. Not this year, but in previous years. So let's figure out our scale stuff. For you all, concert pitch is the name of the scale. So when we're writing the scale letters, we start with F because the name of the scale is F. And then we go in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's no H, so I start over again. D, E, F, and I get back to the letter with which I started. Okay, so there's the letter names of my scale. Now I go up to the circle of fourths and figure out what is the what flats I'm dealing with. So I'll use my blue highlighter here. Okay, this is the name of your scale here. Right here is 0 flats and 0 sharps, and you can see we add flats in this direction. We only go one step here, which means we only have one flat. Okay, the order of flats is highlighted in yellow down here. This is your order of flats always. So if you only have one flat, it is B flat. It's that first one in Beadgcf, B-E-A-D-G-C-F. So I have one flat, I put that next to my B, and now I have the letter names of this scale. I've gone F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Okay, that's your F concert scale. Again, this spot right here, oh sorry, I forgot to erase this previous stuff. Let's get rid of that quick. Cool. This thing where it says use this space to draw sharps or flats, you don't need to do that. But right here we're going to draw key signature. So draw your clef sign. Treble clef people, we just kind of loop around like this. If your treble clef is kind of ugly, that's okay. And you only have one flat, it is B flat. It goes right there. So that is your B flat. Bass clef people will get to you in just a second. So that's how you draw the key signature here. Notice that the round part of the flat is on the middle line, the B line. And then starting pitch for people. We should highlight a starting pitch. So flutes, your starting pitch is going to be up here. We're going to play the high octave. Oboe, your starting pitch is going to be down here. I don't know if you can hear that knocking noise. That would be my dog's tail hitting the desk here. Hi, Quinn. Okay, so that's oboe starting pitch down on the bottom. And I think, and then of course percussionists, you generally are thinking right down here as well as you play on your keyboard instrument. Okay, so that is your treble clef people. Grab my eraser here quick and get rid of that. So then bass clef people, you've got to draw your clef. We go here, make a big giant dot on the third space, swoosh around like this, and then make a small dot on the third space and the fourth space. Okay, and you have one flat in the key signature. It is B flat. This second line down here is B. So I'm going to make it right around that second line. That's my key signature for bass clef people. And then trombone baritone, you are going to start, well actually you all have the option to start in two different places. I would prefer you start here, which takes you up to a high F. 9th grade trombone baritone players should be able to play this note. So I would prefer trombone baritone, you're starting here. If you really want to play lower, you can start here, if that works better for you. And then tuba players, you're gonna start down low. So that is all the way down there. You actually had this note in the Kalijah Dunton piece. That's a low F, and you can look up fingerings. It's 1 and 3 as you climb your way up the tuba there. But just like I said with that high note for trombones, a 9th grade tuba player should be able to play that low F. So you might have to work on it. The tuba player practicing this might start on the top note of the scale and play your way down the scale to get used to getting that low. Okay, so that's starting pitches and things like that. On this third page, we're not going to do this practicing plan bit like we did last time. On this third page, what I would like to see you do is copy an image, and I didn't do this, but you know how to do it. I want you to take a fingering chart and paste it in here. And then highlight the notes, period. Highlight notes of this scale. Okay, so I'll Google the image. I'll Google, trombone slide position chart, screenshot it, paste it in here, and then use my highlighter for here's the first note, here's the second note, here's the third note. Okay, so that's what should be on this third page. Okay, so hopefully you've got everything you need to know. You've got one flat in this scale, you've written the letter names there, and you've drawn a key signature, noted your starting pitches, and then here you're going to screenshot a fingering chart, put it in here, and highlight the correct notes. Good luck, and we will see you soon.